P-457-2 is transmitter of the wireless EXTA LIFE control system. It allows control of various devices, brightening, dimming of lighting, control of window blinds. It is distinguished by its ergonomic shape and small dimensions. The remote control works with all receivers as well as the EXTA LIFE system controller. In the case of a controller, it can be used as a condition of a logic function or a scene trigger. The transmitter has two ergonomic buttons which allows independent control up to 2 receivers or channels. The remote control is equipped with a green LED, which indicate transmission, and the necessity of replace the battery. For transmitting uses radio waves with a frequency of 868 MHz. The remote control is powered by one 2032 battery. The transmitter must remain at the programming stage, associated with the receiver it is to control. Normally learning can be done using the prog button. It could be assigned more transmitters into one receiver. In this way one P-457-2 transmitter can independently control up to 2 channels. In order to use the transmitter, with the EXTA LIFE controller, it must be paired with the controller first, mean as physical registration in the system. In order to identify the transmitter later, it is recommended to give it a known name, well known by the user. Registration of the transmitter in the system allows, among others, its remote adding to receivers. It is an extremely convenient tool because during this operation, no physical access to the receiver is required. Thanks to this, it can be added a new transmitter at any time, in any operating mode, switch on time could be set, and more. Using the application, it could be quickly check which transmitters, in which configuration is assigned to a given receiver, or selectively remove them. Also by the application, remote controller could be conveniently removed from the controller's resources.